Hello friends, welcome to Future Nivesh. Today we'll be discussing about monthly income advantage plan in detail. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and support this channel. Let us understand what monthly income advantage plan has got to offer you. First, it gives you guarantee. That means all the returns in this plans are guaranteed from day one. It will be written on a piece of paper how much amount you can expect, irrespective of what the markets are doing, because this plan is a traditional plan and doesn't invest in stock market. Second, you get tax benefit. All the premiums that you pay as per the section 80C is completely tax free. That is up to a limit of 1,50,000. Not only that, when you start earning a monthly income from this plan, even though it's an income, you still get a tax benefit. You don't have to pay any tax for the income that you get. And the maturity as well is completely tax free. You also get an insurance cover for the entire duration of the plan. Let's understand monthly income advantage plan with an example of Mr. Raj, who is now 35 years old. He decided to invest in monthly income advantage plan and he has a premium paying term for the next 15 years, and from the 15th to 25th year will be his payout term. If you understand, 35 years is his current age. He will pay premium until he is 50 years old, and from 50 years to 60 years he will be getting an additional monthly income. Not only that, at the end towards the 25th years, that's when he is about 60 years old, he will get a lump sum maturity in this plan. Let's say Mr. Raj decided to go with the lowest premium that the plan offers, that is 50,000 rupees per year, that is close to saving only 4,000 rupees per month for your better future. And from 15th year to 25th year, he will be generating an income close to 95,000 rupees per year, that is roughly 8,000 rupees per month. If you calculate, the total amount that he has invested in 15 years is close to 7.5 lakhs, and in the next 10 years he will be getting a return close to 9.5 lakhs. Not only that, on the 25th year he will also be getting a lump sum maturity close to 9.5 lakhs. So you may think that the total return that this plan offers is 19 lakhs. Let us see what happens if Mr. Raj, 35 years old, after paying his first premium, undergoes an accident leading to death. His nominee gets 9.5 lakh and an additional rider cover of 9.5 lakhs, total 19 lakh rupees immediately. If you look at traditional products, once the nominee gets a death claim, then the plan gets terminated then and there. But that's not the case with monthly income advantage plan, and that's why this plan is a game changer. Because in monthly income advantage plan, the plan continues even if Mr. Raj is not there. Mr. Raj did not have to bear the premium amount of 50,000 rupees for the next 14 years, leading to a saving of close to 7 lakh rupees. And from 15th year until 25th year, his nominee gets the monthly income to meet his needs. That is close to 9.5 lakh rupees. And towards the end, as promised with Mr. Raj, his nominee would be getting a maturity amount close to 9.5 lakh rupees. So by just paying a premium amount of 50,000 rupees, he has ensured a cover of close to 45 lakh rupees for his nominee. Friends, let me tell you that the premium as well as the return that I have shown in this plan is specific to age 35 for a premium amount of 50,000. Your needs could be very different from what Mr. Raj has. So for your exact calculation for your age, what premium you should be paying and how much returns you can expect, just feel free to WhatsApp us on 8770-938-217 and we will be happy to provide you with the figures. Monthly income advantage plan also comes in two other variants known as 8 pay and 12 pay, in which the payment term is reduced to 12 years and 8 years respectively. Thus, the plan offers a flexibility to choose the premium term as per your age. Monthly Income Advantage Plan is a 5-star product from Max Life Insurance. Indians, both residential as well as non-residential, have been actively participating in this plan to plan out their future goals. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, don't forget to press that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel to get fresh updates about all the financial instruments available in the market. And tell me in the comment box how you found this video and what are your doubts about monthly income advantage plan. If you are looking forward to buy monthly income advantage plan and are still in doubts, please feel free to contact me on WhatsApp on 8770938217, and I will guide you through the right way to get this plan.